How to send message with shake effect on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Once you are here, you can view all your messages over here. Now, open the conversation you want to send a message to. Inside the chat, tap on the text field at the bottom and type out your message. Once your message is ready, tap on the button labeled as A on the right side of the keyboard, as shown. This will open the effect section of your keyboard, where you can add special animations to your message bubble. You can choose from options like big, small, shake, or explode to add emphasis. Here, select shake. After selecting the shake effect, it will appear in the text input field with the effect visuals. Finally, tap the send arrow icon to send your animated message. Following these steps, you can easily send messages with shake effect on an iPhone.